Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai i20 active 3-door hatch, stock reference number 4932. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one large dent and one small dent. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio or cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.